Hey there, just me Ted 1969 here. We're looking at a bit of a mystery today. So here's a rotten tree trunk, or sort of a part of a tree trunk, and there's the stump it fell off of. Now, that probably even still dried out and rotting weighs more than I could casually lift. I'm not saying I wouldn't be able to lift it, and I'm wondering how heavy it would have been when it was a lot fresher of a fall. How did it fall off of this? We're not sure. They're both rotten and they've been dead for, I'd say, over 10 years. Roughly 5 to 10 years at least. I want to say more than that, just given the age of it all. And we're at Uisge Ban Falls Trail, north of Baddeck, Nova Scotia, in Cape Breton Island. And I'm just wondering how this piece here that's wedged between these two trees jumped up off of that stump, landed in a straight line about 6 feet over here diagonally from it and uphill, and then leaned over this way in the crutch of this tree here. This tree here with some interesting growth on it. I want to verify that that's stuck to the tree. That's not what it could be misconstrued to be. So let's not say anything about that. That's just moss or lichen on the tree there. But still, and there's a nice little fungus. Still, very interesting to think how that could have happened in nature, amongst many other tree leans. So I've been saying since yesterday that I think Cape Breton is a little squatchier than mainland Nova Scotia. And I'm going to go on record here and now and say that, yeah, I'm not saying this is Sasquatch activity, but I'm saying it's Sasquatch-like scenarios, given what I've seen other Sasquatch researchers showing us over a few years on YouTube. Got a couple of big things right there. What am I seeing right there? A nice waterway. There's some paths around that have been made for people that might be usable by other beasties. So anyway, let's just leave that video there and not say anything further, but let's just say it is a pattern not unlike scenarios set forth in videos done by professional or expert Sasquatch researchers. Ted Thomas here at Uisge Ban Falls, Nova Scotia.